choice today with the 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE comes with a full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, tachometer, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel, sports steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.